Will AI replace doctors in the future? Artificial intelligence, AI, has been making significant strides in the healthcare industry, particularly in the field of medical diagnosis. With the continuous advancements in technology, there is an ongoing debate about whether AI will eventually replace doctors in the future. In this video, we will discuss the potential impact of AI on the healthcare industry and explore whether AI will replace doctors in the future. AI technology has been widely used in the healthcare industry for several years now. It has been particularly helpful in areas such as medical diagnosis, patient monitoring, drug development, and precision medicine. AI has the ability to analyze vast amounts of medical data, which can assist in identifying patterns and providing diagnoses that would be difficult or impossible for a human to detect. One of the main advantages of AI technology is that it can provide faster and more accurate diagnoses than human doctors. This is particularly important in cases where time is of the essence, such as in emergency rooms. For example, AI-powered imaging tools can detect early signs of cancer that may be missed by human doctors. Additionally, AI can help doctors develop personalized treatment plans based on a patient's medical history, genetic information, and other factors. Despite these advantages, AI is not without its limitations. While AI can analyze medical data and provide diagnoses, it lacks the human touch that is necessary for providing compassionate care to patients. Patients often need emotional support and empathy from their doctors, and AI cannot provide that. Furthermore, AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and biased data can lead to biased results. This can have serious consequences, particularly in cases where AI is used to make important medical decisions. Another important consideration is that AI technology is not yet fully developed. There is still a lot of work to be done to ensure that AI is safe, effective, and reliable. While AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, it is not a magic bullet that can solve all of the industry's problems. So, will AI replace doctors in the future? The answer is no. While AI has the potential to significantly improve the healthcare industry, it cannot replace human doctors. Doctors play a critical role in patient care, providing emotional support, and making complex medical decisions. AI technology can assist doctors in their work, but it cannot replace them. In conclusion, AI technology is an exciting development in the healthcare industry, and it has the potential to significantly improve patient outcomes. However, it is important to recognize its limitations and ensure that it is used responsibly. Ultimately, the best outcomes for patients will come from a combination of AI technology and human expertise. Thanks for watching our video. Feel free to comment your thoughts on this topic. Please subscribe for more informative health and wellness related videos.